Hello students, we know that the definition of partial order relation. Let P be a non-empty set. A relation R on P is called the partial order relation if first R is reflexive, that is A relate to A for all A belongs to P. Second, R is antisymmetric, that is if A relate to B and B relate to A, then A equal to B for all AB belongs to P. Next, R is transitive, that is if A relate to B and B relate to C, then A relate to C for ABC belongs to P. Note, if R is a partial order relation, then symbol R is usually replaced by less equal on which there is partial ordering relation defined. Next definition, poset. A set P on which there is a partial ordering relation defined on it is called partially ordered set or a poset. Symbolically, we say that P less equal is a poset. P less equal is a poset means less equal is reflexive, antisymmetric and transitive. Next example, let S be a non-empty set and let P of S be the power set of S. To show that P of S is a poset, S is a non-empty set and P of S be the power set of S. Power set of S means set of all subset of S. For AB belongs to P of S means A, B are the subset of S. Define A less equal B if A is subset of B. First, for every A belongs to P of S, and we know that every set is a subset of itself means A is subset of A. A is subset of A means A is less equal A. Thus, less equal is a reflexive. Here we denote subset and here we say that less equal because A less equal B if A is subset of B. That's why here we say that less equal is a reflexive. Second, for AB belongs to P of S and if A is subset of B and B is subset of A, that means A equal to B by the relation of subsets. Then A equal to B means A is contained in B and similarly B is contained in A, which implies A equal to B. Thus less equal is antisymmetric. Next, for A, B, C belongs to P of S and if A is subset of B and B is subset of C, A contained in B and B contained in C, which implies A contained in C means A is subset of C. Thus, less equal is transitive. Hence, by 1, 2, 3, P of S less equal is a poset. P of S less equal is a poset. Next example, on the set N of natural numbers, define A less equal B if and only if A divides B. Show that N less equal is a poset. Here A less equal B means A divides B or A divides B means A less equal B. To To show that n less equal is a poset, that is to show that less equal is reflexive, antisymmetric and transitive First, for any a belongs to natural number, a divides a, means every number divides itself. Suppose 2 belongs to natural number, then 2 divides 2. 3 belongs to natural number means 3 divides 3. A divides a, 2 divides 3 means a upon a. Likewise this. Therefore, a divides a, that means a less equal a by given condition. Therefore, less equal is reflexive. Second, for any AB belongs to natural number, and if A divides B and B divides A, then as A and B are positive, because AB belongs to natural number, so A and B are positive, so we have A equal to B. Therefore, less equal is antisymmetric. Next, for A, B, C belongs to natural number, we have if A divides B and B divides C, then suppose 2 divides 4 and 4 divides 8. A divides B and B divides C means 2, 4, 8 belongs to natural number. 2 divides 4 and 4 divides 8. 2 divides 4 means 4 upon 2. 4 divides 8 means 8 upon 4. 2 divides 4, 4 divides 8, which implies 2 divides 8. That is A divides B and B divides C, then A divides C. Therefore, less equal is transitive. Hence, less equal is a partial ordering relation on n. Natural numbers. Therefore, natural number less equal is a poset by the definition of poset. Next example is your exercise. Show that the Z less equal is a poset where A less equal B if and only if A is less than or equal to B for all AB belongs to Z. To show that Z less equal is a poset, that is to show that less equal is a partial ordering relation on Z, means less equal is reflexive, antisymmetric and transitive. Next definition, let P less equal be poset. For AB belongs to P, we say that A is covered by B or B covers A. If A less than B, that is A less than B but A is not equal to B. Second, there is no element X belongs to P such that A less than X less than B. If A is covered by B, we denote it by the symbol A less equal B. Next definition of Hasse diagram. Let P less equal be a finite poset. Represent the elements of P by a small circles. Join the circles of the elements A and B by a straight line segment if A less equal B or B less equal A. Here less equal may be subset, divides, like this type of relations. Then the diagram obtained in such a way for poset is called its Hasse diagram. For example, Hasse diagram of the poset P of S less equal with S equal to A, B, C. P of S means set of all subset of S, means power set of S. S is A, B, C. So power set of S is first empty set, next singleton sets, singleton A, singleton B, singleton C. Next AB, AC, BC, and next ABC. Order of power set of S equal to 2 raised to 3, which is equal to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Means here P of S equal to only this set. Now P of S less equal means in set less equal is denoted as subset. So first empty set, next singleton A, singleton B, singleton C, next AB, AC, BC, and next is ABC. Now empty set is the subset of A, B, C. Join this. Next AB are the superset of A and B. Singleton A is subset of AB, singleton B is subset of AB. So join this. Now singleton A and singleton C are the subsets of AC. Join this by a straight line. Next BC, singleton B and singleton C are the subsets of the set BC. Join these two. Now AB, AC, BC are the subsets of the set ABC. So join this. This is nothing but your Hasse diagram. Hasse diagram says that, or definition of Hasse diagram says that, let P less equal be a finite poset. Represent the elements of P by small circles. Join the circles of the elements A and B by a straight line segment if A less equal B or B less equal A. Then the diagram obtained in such a way for poset is called its Hasse diagram. Next example, draw Hasse diagram of the poset D48, the set of all divisors of 48 with respect to partial order relation divides. D48 means set of all divisors of 48. So D48 equal to set of 1 divides 48, 2 divides 48, 3 divides 48. Similarly 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 48 are the divisors of 48. So D48 equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 48. Therefore, Hasse diagram of D48 is Hasse diagram of D48 is as follows. First 1, here 1 divides 2, so join. Next 1 divides 3. Next 2 divides 4. Next element is 6. 2 divides 6, 3 divides 6. So join this by straight line. Next element is 8. 4 divides 8. Next 12. 4 divides 12, 6 divides 12. So 12, 4 divides 12, 6 divides 12. Next is 16. 8 divides 16. Join. Next element is 24. 8 divides 24, 12 divides 24. So put 24 here. Join this by straight line. Last element is 48. Put 48 here. Next 16 divides 48, 24 divides 48. This is the required Heisei diagram of D48. Next, note, if A less equal is a poset and B is a subset of A, then B less equal is also a poset. Means if A is a poset and B is a subset of A, then B less equal is also a poset on the same relation of A. Next definition, if in a poset A less equal for any two element A, B, either A less equal B or B less equal A holds, then A less equal is called a totally ordered set or a chain. Chain like this. Suppose the number line 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 less equal 2, 2 less equal 3, 3 less equal 4. This is nothing but the chain. Next definition, let A less equal be a poset and AB belongs to A and element C belongs to A is said to be lower bound of A and B if C less equal A and C less equal B and element D belongs to A is said to be upper bound of A and B if A less equal D and B less equal D. For lower bound C less equal A, C less equal B, then we can say that C is a lower bound of the elements of A. Next, AB belongs to A and D also belongs to A and A less equal D and B less equal D, then we can say that D is the upper bound of A and B. Next definition, let A less equal be a poset and AB belongs to A and element G belongs to A if it exists is said to be greatest lower bound of A and B if G is a lower bound of A and B. Second, G dash is also a lower bound of A and B, then G dash less equal G. When G is the greatest lower bound and G dash is also lower bound of A and B, then G dash must be less equal G. Next definition, upper bound. Let A less equal be a poset and AB belongs to A and element L belongs to A if it exists is said to be a least upper bound of A and B if first L is upper bound of A and B. Second, if L dash is also an upper bound of A and B, then L less equal L dash. L less equal L dash because L is the least upper bound and L dash is also an upper bound of A and B, then L must be less equal L dash for the least upper bound. Next definition, let L less equal be a poset and element capital M belongs to L if it exists is called the maximal element of L if X less equal M for all X belongs to L. An element small m belongs to L if it exists is called the minimal element of L if m less equal x for all x belongs to L. The maximal and minimal element is sometimes referred to as the one element and zero element. Means for maximal element we can say that one element and for minimal element we can say that zero element. It is obvious that the one element or the zero element if exists is unique. In D30 means set of all divisors of 30, 1 is the lower bound and 30 is the upper bound. D30 equal to 1, 2, 5 and so on 30 up to 30. 1 is less equal to 1 less equal 5 and so on. So 1 is the lower bound, means it is the minimal element, so 1 is the 0 element. Similarly 1 less equal 30, 2 less equal 30, 5 less equal 30 and so on up to 30. So 30 is the upper bound, so 30 is the 1 element. Upper bound means maximal element, and for maximal element we can say that 1 element. So here 30 is the 1 element and 1 is the 0 element. Next theorem without proof. Let A less equal be a poset and AB belongs to A. Then if least upper bound of A and B exists, then it is unique. Next, if greatest lower bound of A and B exists, then it is unique. Here we stop